It's Monday, January 2nd, about 2 p.m. here. We just started to get some more rain. Light rain, it's not expected to last long today. Maybe about accumulation of a 1/4 inch. Then we get a break tomorrow, and then Wednesday, Thursday is supposed to be the heavy stuff. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Hello folks. We're out here January 4th, Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. out in the orchard here. Started raining at some point early this morning. I was asleep when I woke up about 6. It was already raining. So not a lot of accumulation yet, but we're out here taking a look. So we're supposed to get rain pretty much all day and through at least midday tomorrow. At least that's the forecast. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on all this stuff, and hopefully it doesn't create too many problems for people out there. Stay safe and dry and warm. Hello folks. Thursday morning, about 7:30 a.m. January 5th, I believe. I gotta check that. Anyway, here's our 24-hour rain total. About 1.75 inches in 24 hours. And it's created a lot more accumulation here in our orchard, as you can see from my previous video. The water's almost over the top of the road now. The pump's been going for 24 hours. Not really keeping up with it. But we're supposed to get a break today. I think around 2 p.m. or so. It's supposed to stop. But we got a lot more coming. So we'll keep you guys updated. You can see the orchard out here. We got some flooding going on there. Once we get this break for 24 hours or so, it'll really be helpful for us. So that's what's happening in our local area. I know there's a lot of places in California that have it a lot worse than we do, so I wish them the best of luck. Stay safe out there. Here's a good look at what we have on the north side of the orchard. So the south side is where I have the pump and the rain gauge, which is over that direction. Looks like my grandson has some cans in the tree right there to practice with his BB gun. So the water's right up to the edge of the house here, as you can see. Hopefully it'll let up and the pump will get rid of all this water for us. We'll check it again later. So here we are back at the canal I like to use as a reference. It's pretty full, but not as full as it was the other day in my last video. I don't know if you can see the water line on the weeds over there. I'd say it's about 5 to 8 feet lower than it was a few days ago. And we should be okay. Wait for this car to go by. We should be okay for a couple days. Like I said, the rain's due to stop. We'll get a little bit of a break. But the weekend and Monday look pretty serious. And like I said in past videos, the ground is super saturated, and it doesn't take much rain to fill up all these drainage canals and ditches. So we might start running into some problems. I'll let you guys know how it goes.